Good morning, everyone, and thank you for choosing today's market, financial analysis, and cryptocurrencies. Every day, our goal is to provide you with a thorough and knowledgeable analysis of the most relevant financial news to help you navigate the complex economic landscape. Let's begin our daily review. Market analysis, September 19, 2023. Stocks face challenges as Brent crude hits $95 amid rate concerns. Global stock markets grapple with uncertainty as central banks prepare for a series of crucial decisions this week. Brent crude oil has surged, surpassing the $95 per barrel mark for the first time since November, intensifying concerns about inflation. Notably, oil giants Total Energies SE, BP plc, and Shell plc outperformed expectations, while Europe's Stoxx 600 index relinquished its earlier gains. Meanwhile, U.S. equity futures indicated a potential lack of significant change. The remarkable rise in crude oil, amounting to approximately one-third since mid-June, can be attributed to the collaborative efforts of Saudi Arabia and Russia to limit oil supplies, thereby boosting prices. This surge in oil prices presents an ongoing challenge to central banks as they strive to combat inflation while mitigating economic risks. The Federal Reserve is scheduled to announce its policy decision on Wednesday, followed by the Bank of England on Thursday and the Bank of Japan on Friday. David Calfon, CEO of Sanso Investment Solutions, noted, "Central banks have done a rather good job so far, but there's little room for maneuver now. They made clear since the start of the cycle that beating inflation is the key, not growth." Amid the prospect of prolonged higher interest rates, enthusiasm for technology stocks, which had led the U.S. stock market rally earlier this year, has waned. Citigroup Incorporated strategists reported that investor flows suggest a growing bearish sentiment towards the Nasdaq 100. Short bets are becoming more prominent in positioning, signaling that few investors are comfortable taking a bullish view on the possibility of a near-term reversal for the growth/tech-related index. The Nasdaq 100 has retreated approximately 3.9% from its peak on July 18. As the Federal Reserve is expected to maintain interest rates this week, market attention will turn to the dot plot summary of economic forecasts. Key questions include whether policymakers will retain their projections for an additional 25 basis point rate hike by year-end and how much easing they anticipate for 2024. In June, they had projected 1 percentage point of rate cuts. Richard Flax, Chief Investment Officer at European digital wealth manager Moneyfarm, anticipates the Fed may emphasize that the fight against inflation remains ongoing and that future rate decisions will be data-dependent. This could leave room for a potential rate hike later in the year. Flax added, "If the Fed sounds a more hawkish tone, we could see a continuation of the higher-for-longer trend that we've seen recently, with a lower probability of significant rate cuts in 2024. Before proceeding with our analysis, we would like to remind you that your support is very important to us. If you enjoy this video and find our content helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This helps us grow and provide you with even more quality content. Now, let's get back to the news on the financial markets and the latest updates. Bitcoin soars to $27,000 amidst Federal Reserve speculation. Bitcoin has surged to a price of $27,160, marking its highest value since August 31st. The rally comes as traders in the United States are increasingly betting on the Federal Reserve maintaining current borrowing costs for the remainder of the year. The leading cryptocurrency witnessed a substantial 8% increase from the point when a bearish death cross pattern, where the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, dipped below the 200-day moving average, had emerged on its daily price chart a week ago. This development questions the reliability of the death cross pattern as a standalone indicator. Bitcoin's current trading level hovers around $27,100, indicating a minor pullback. In addition to Bitcoin, Solana Sol experienced a 3% gain on Tuesday, while Ethereum, ETH, was slightly up, trading at $1,643. FTX sues founder's parents in attempt to recover misappropriated funds. Bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX has taken legal action against the parents of its founder and former CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried. The lawsuit aims to recover millions of dollars in fraudulently transferred and misappropriated funds. The court filing, although partially redacted, requests that the FTX estate receive damages, the return of any assets or payments given to the parents by FTX, and punitive damages for their alleged conscious, willful, wanton, and malicious conduct. The lawsuit highlights that FTX Trading paid over $18.9 million, inclusive of taxes and expenses, for Blue Water, a company owned by Bankman and Fried. Furthermore, it alleges that Bankman facilitated the transfer of a $10 million cash gift to himself and Fried from Alameda Limited Funds, exploiting his understanding of tax law and the complex corporate structure of the FTX Group. Oak Grove Ventures launches $60 million fund for Web3, AI, and biotech. A group of cryptocurrency and fintech veterans, including alumni from Sino Global Capital, Libra, Alchemy Pay, and Coinbase, has initiated a new fund named Oak Grove Ventures. This Singapore-based fund, with a capital of $60 million, focuses on innovations at the intersection of Web3, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. The team includes notable figures like Sally Wang, formerly associated with Sino Global Capital, now Rise Labs, Ethan Wang, former tech lead of Libra, Sean Shi, co-founder of Alchemy Pay, and Michael Lee, a former VP of Coinbase. Sally Wang, the head of investments at the fund, emphasized their goal of raising funds to support visionary founders in their quest for groundbreaking technologies. Bitcoin dominance strengthens amidst cryptocurrency sector challenges. While Bitcoin has remained relatively stable in recent weeks, its market dominance has been on the rise. Bitcoin's market dominance rate, measuring its share of the total digital asset market, reached 50.2% on Monday, its highest level in a month. This rate came close to the 52% peak observed at the end of June, which followed BlackRock's filing for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. This surge in dominance reflects growing uncertainty in the broader cryptocurrency sector, as investors turn to Bitcoin amid increased risks. Chainlink's Link token surges 14% in a week. Chainlink's Link token has seen an impressive 14% increase in value over the past 7 days. On Monday, Link reached $6.83, marking a daily gain of slightly over 10% and outperforming the wider cryptocurrency market. Notably, on-chain data indicates that 4 Chainlink wallets recently unlocked and transferred 18.75 million Link tokens, equivalent to approximately $117 million, over the weekend. This activity follows a consistent pattern, as the Chainlink wallet has been depositing Link tokens to Binance every 3 months since August 2022, totaling more than 71 million Link, valued at approximately $446 million. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for watching today's market, financial analysis, and cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed our insights and found the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future analyses. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you soon with more interesting news. Remember, the information in this video is purely informational and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.